Welcome to Destination of Flavor.
Today I am going to share the easiest process to prepare sambar masala at home, followed by the recipe of sambar dal. So first let's start with the sambar masala. Heat a pan and dry roast 8 to 10 whole Kashmiri red chilies. If you don't have Kashmiri red chilies, you can use seedless whole dry red chilies. Roast medium flame for a minute and keep aside. Now add handful of curry leaves in the same pan and roast until crisp. Flame should be medium and keep aside. After that, add 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of whole black gram skinless or urad dal, 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Dry roast all masala until light brown on medium flame. Now add pre-roasted red chilies and turmeric powder. Switch off the flame, take out all roasted masala into a plate and allow to cool completely. After that, pour the roasted masala into a mixture grinder and grind to a coarse powder. Sambar masala is ready. You can store this masala into an airtight container for 6 to 7 months. Let's prepare restaurant style South Indian sambar. Take 1 cup of tur dal or arhar dal, 1/4 cup red lentils or masoor dal. Wash properly. Add 3 cups of water and salt. Pressure cook the dal until 1 whistle. And then turn the flame low and wait for 5 minutes. Then switch off the flame and wait until pressure settles down. Open the lid and check the dal. The dal should be completely cooked and mushy. Mash the dal with backside of a spoon and keep aside. Now cooking vegetables for sambar. Take a bowl of diced carrot, bottle gourd or lauki, drumsticks, beans and pumpkin or more vegetables as per your choice. Pour into a pressure cooker and add little water. Too much water is not required as water will be released for vegetables. Cover lid and wait until 1 whistle. Then switch off the flame. Don't overcook vegetables as it will be cooked again with dal. Now heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or white oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts crackling, add 1 to 2 dry red chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, few curry leaves. Cook until soft. Now add blanched vegetables without water. Don't discard the water, it will be used during dal preparation. Now add pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, mix well. Cover and cook vegetables until soft. Now add pinch of hing and mix very well. Add 3 tablespoons of homemade sambar masala and mix very well. Now add boiled dals and mix together very well. If dal consistency looks too thick, then add some water as required. Finally add 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp and mix. Sambar is ready to serve with dosa, idli and vada.
Thanks for watching. I will back soon with some recipes. If you like my recipes, please share and subscribe my channel. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy. Bye bye.